Yes, come in.
Morning, sir.
Good morning.
sir.
Good morning. Have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
What's your name?
Sir, myself Mridul Khare.
Mridul Khare.
Yes.
And what's your name?
Myself Rudraksh Gupta.
Rudraksh Gupta. So names are Mridul and Rudraksh.
Yes, sir.
Mridul, your code is 19A and Rudraksh, your code is 19B.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Now, Mridul, please tell me something about yourself.
So, by passion, I am a 10-meter air rifleist, and I am also having a triple gold medal in the zonal level and the state level of the shooting championship in India. And I am focusing for my 2028 Olympics, and I am really passionate for my sports and for my career. My father's name is Atul Kant Khare. He is an assistant accountant in the Vikas Bhavan, and my mother's name is Nirja Khare. She is a housewife.
Okay, very nice.
Thank you, sir.
And can you tell me something about your other hobbies?
Some of my other hobbies are reading novels and also listening music, because I am also passionate to play the drum and the casio.
Okay, very nice.
Thank you, sir.
And this is your turn, Rudraksh. Please tell me something about
Sir,
yourself.
as I've already told you my name, but my hobbies are lawn tennis and I like listening to songs. I like listening to songs.
Okay.
And my other hobbies are like playing with my, I love playing Casio.
Okay.
And my father's name is Mr. Gautam Gupta. And my mother's name is Mrs. Sapna Gupta. And I'm
And what
Correct.
do you want to become in your future?
I want to become a real estate manager, sir.
Okay, very nice.
Yes.
Best wishes for that.
Thank you, sir.
And next task, that is your topic presentation.
Yes.
In this task, Mridul, you are going to tell us about your topic. When Mridul will finish his topic, Rudraksh, you will ask some questions on the topic, and also I will ask some more questions.
Okay, sir.
So would you like to begin your topic?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, my topic is my passion and profession. Today I am going to tell about someone's passion and a profession, and how a person can convert his passion into a profession and in career building. So if I talk about myself, my passion is to play shooting. I'm a sports person, and my profession is to achieve many medals for my country and represent my country in the international level. If I talk about my sport, shooting is a very brilliant game, because you have to stay focused and you have to keep an eye on the target. You have to be alert during the matches, and more in shooting. Shooting is divided into three categories: rifle, pistol, and shotgun. One player can choose on only one weapon, either rifle, either pistol, or shotgun. But there are many categories inside it, all three weapons. Like if I talk about my rifle, I am
Okay,
currently.
very nice. How do you manage education and sports both at the same time?
Sir, if I talk about myself, sports help me to educate myself, because if I am very sincere in my shooting needs a very focus and aiming. So if I am focused in my shooting, so
Okay.
I am also focused in my studies.
Rudraksh, would you like to ask some questions?
Yes. Can you please tell me what categories can a player choose in shooting?
Uh, Shooting is having three weapons. First of all, rifle, pistol, and shotgun. A person can choose only one weapon.
Okay.
And in that one weapon, there are many categories. He is not bound to choose any one category. He can play all the events, but the weapon will be same.
Okay, very nice.
Tell me one thing, like one last question.
Yes.
Is license required to purchase the
No,
weapons
no.
or
Actually, in the shooting sports, we are having an air compressed weapon. So in air compressed weapon, no need to have a license.
Don't you
Okay.
think these weapons are harmful?
No. They all are played under the range
Now
of
this
peace.
is your turn, Rudraksh. You are going to tell us about your topic. When Rudraksh will finish his topic,
Yes.
Mridul, you will ask some questions on the
Okay,
topic, and also I will ask some more questions, like Mridul. Okay, so are you ready for that?
Yes, sir.
So begin your
So my
topic.
topic is poverty in India.
Yeah.
So
Poverty
yesterday,
in India.
Yeah.
That is a very big problem.
Yes, sir. So yesterday in my Google Discover section, I saw an article. It was written that poverty in India is radically increasing after COVID,
Okay.
and I researched on it, and I found that people in slums of India, majority of them said that it is because of the inflation.
Yeah.
It is because of the inflation, but according to me, I think that inflation is a thing which because of which poverty is there. But unemployment is the main problem for that. Due to unemployment, people are not able to earn money, because of which they are not able to fulfill their requirements, their basic needs. So there are many ways by which poverty can be overcome, by providing employment opportunities to the people, by giving them at least 100 days of work. Like you know about the PMKVY, Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana, in which Pradhan Mantri Mr. Narendra Modi has given 100 days of assured work to the poor people, in which they earn money, through which they can earn a livelihood.
Okay, now stop your content. Mridul, would you like to ask some
Yes,
questions?
sir. Can you tell me the main reason of the poverty in India?
Yeah,
What?
unemployment.
No, how can unemployment be a, is there any political issue or just unemployment?
No, there are basically two reasons for that. These one is unemployment, other is high growth in population.
Oh, that can be a
Yeah.
point. And can you tell me two measures to fight this poverty?
Yeah, by giving employment opportunities in the rural areas, because you know that people migrate from rural areas to urban
Drugs,
areas in search of jobs.
Do you agree? Do you agree with the point that illiteracy is also a cause of
Yes, sir.
poverty?
Totally.
How you can see it?
So if people are uneducated, they won't be able to operate the modern techniques or modern machines of the industrial sectors.
Okay. Okay, students, this is your next task, that is a problem solving assessment. In this round, in this task, I am going to provide you a card, and there is a problem, an issue mentioned on this card. So both of you read the problem and please give me your suggestive points.
Your friend is very shy and doesn't take part in extracurricular activities, sports at his school. His parents are worried that he doesn't mix with others but studies all the time. With your partner, discuss what might be the reason for this and what can say or do to encourage your friend to interact. I see that the person is introvert. He is
Yeah.
not mixing with the people.
Yeah.
But okay, it is good to be an introvert. But this is not acceptable in a higher places.
Yep. Don't you think there might be a reason he might be scared for his studies?
Okay,
He might be scared that he won't be able to achieve his goals in future.
but mixing with the environment is also a
Yeah.
good thing, no?
Yeah.
So, okay, maybe the reason that his past was not good with the public,
Yeah.
that's why he is an introvert.
There might be a reason, na? Like if you say that we have to encourage that friend.
Okay, so we can spend few times with him and we can tell about the changes in the environment.
Yeah.
Like what was happened in the past can't be the same in the future.
Yeah, you're
Time changes and a bad thing only lasts for the 24
Means
hours.
you will try to find out
Yeah.
the
Yes,
reason behind it.
Yes, sir.
And
Because
as a classmate, as a friend.
yes, sir.
Yeah.
Because being
You
an
will have-
introvert is a good thing. But if you're not mixing with the environment, that can be also
That can
bad
be an issue.
effect for the people.
Okay. Means you will talk to his parents also,
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
teachers also,
Yes, sir.
and teachers can provide platform,
Yes, sir. They can guide
Assistance
us.
to that
They can
person.
guide us the way that how can
different kind of activities
Yes.
like
Yes.
debate, group discussion. this
yes, a
type of
group
activity.
discussion will be a good point to make a person introvert to extrovert.
Very nice. You have done your task very well,
Thank you, sir.
and now you may go now.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.